Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachus and you're on GFLTV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Syria, and the rest of the world. For now, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. Among the rest EPL clubs, all 19 except Newcastle United, they don't do meetings, so they can't discuss wetin they go come do moving forward. This one be say new owners don't take over Newcastle, so now wetin they discuss. So the major people wey dey complain well for all these clubs now, Spurs and Manchester United. So now then they complain, they ask the EPL administrator say wetin make una come accept this PIF, say make dem take over Newcastle. And you know say no how the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia fit connive with this PIF. They can't do money laundering, can't carry all their own GBT, come inside the league. Why would not allow them enter? Even though Newcastle said don't come outside talk, say the takeover what they do with PIF, say them follow the law. You get now due process them follow. They don't bring any wire, and they don't promise say the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia no go get any hand for the running of Newcastle. Even the EPL administrator tell them say any they will find evidence. Say the Saudi Arabian government, the kingdom, then get hand, we go just cancel and say on a contract. Say no, now nothing is up like that. Now say them follow the due process and moving on. Even if they go buy player, they go follow financial fair play, all those rules, follow and play. But still yet, all those big things like Manchester United, Spurs, and then carry the matter for head, they para because they know say their Champions League slots don't they at stake now. Now it go dey very hard because another person don't join the mix. Now we go to buy big players, want to challenge for major honors. But the small clubs them waiting for EPL, those ones they less concerned because for them wetin concern them, wetin they get to gain or wetin they get to lose, nothing. They know they go Champions League. So now those way they go Champions League and Europa League, and then they complain because they don't know say now it don't dey harder to qualify, and it go make sense. Really, Man City and Chelsea go spend money and Man U go spend money. Now another money bag don't come, we go rival them, and before you know it, the next 4-5 years. We just say Newcastle don't win FA Cup, Newcastle don't win League, Newcastle don't go Europa League. It will shock everybody. Surprise, Arsenal come outside and talk say by January, say the one go club Bruges, go collect Noah Lang, say then they ready to pay £25 million. I know so why it be like this, we say that January we go lose some kind of people, go lose like Pepe, lose Aubameyang, Partey, El Neni, you know. So those ones they will fit go AFCON. Go represent their country, so we go dey empty for that front. That's why we need to sign sharp replacement wey dey hot, wey dey para, wey everybody know, wey they go dey fear. And also we also want sign El-Nesyri, but this one say the guy said na Moroccan player, the guy said if he go join Morocco for AFCON, we never even know. So I never know anyhow all this thing dey sup, I go let you know. But that no along, everybody knows say the guy good now. Go watch the guy for YouTube and watch when the guy play against PSG for Champions League. Make see wetin take PSG eye see. The guy good though. On my media setting, they're going to ask Brentford coach, who they call Frank Thomas. They're going to ask Baba say, how far I know say they link you to Arsenal job and Manchester United job early in the season where they play very well. So I can see that job now. So Baba call the talk say, almost say na true. Say you read them on newspaper and say whether they link am, say whether I go join Arsenal, say they fit sack me because they can draft am. Making come be the new Arsenal manager. So if I talk say, all those one are rumor jare, say just they read them for newspaper. So no be say anybody call up now, contact and say you are interested. Are you interested in the job? Come and take the job. See for Brentford doing day now, saying get contract till 2023. Get so nobody reason them anything. So that's why I know to carry the matter for head. See, but moving forward, I'm more the say things go be. On my familiar setting, they call they ask Henry, one of our legends, say, Baba, what is this up now? She Arsenal they go in the right direction. We don't play for this season, you know. They don't lose first 3, win the rest, draw 1. So I can see them now. Baba can talk to almost say we know they move in the right direction. No, say no understand it. Arteta they do. Say no, you know watch that Brighton game. Now what thing they ask the person in the interview and say, didn't you see the Brighton game? Say for that game, almost say we don't play well. Say them control everything. Say we win Burnley, we win Tottenham Hotspur. Say we don't even they count Tottenham Hotspur because normal we they beat Tottenham Hotspur for home. Now we say talk. So say we beat Tottenham Hotspur 3-1. Say you know the reason, I know they can't am anything because now normal level, even if we don't lose form for 100 years, we catch them for 8 minutes, we will still knock them. Say now we take on shock another Brighton game. Wait for another Brighton game. Now you want to assess the team. Because of the Brighton, there's a bit of tiki-taka, especially when they play for Amex Stadium. So you can say, okay, making you observe this thing. That's why Then you observe the team finish, because say we suffer. You talk and say we suffer for that match. Say this one they talk, say Arsenal, say they even give me Arteta manager of the month. Say what will they do? So they go backward. Well, what they watch now. Hopefully we'll play against Crystal Palace now, another test. But Crystal Palace now team maybe they like to prepare Arsenal also. Well, watch as things will turn out. Our monetary spirit wey they call the sun don't come outside. They let us know say Arsenal offer Lacazette new contract. Or say Baba reject the contract. Say no, they interested. He's not keen to sign a new contract in Arsenal. This one shocked me because I think they say they don't offer this guy any contract. You get maybe now you don't reason and say Aubameyang they come up for January. You see they soft that. Say the guys keep this guy. I don't know why. I don't just understand. Before they say they will offer a contract. Now they don't offer a contract. And if they be like I said, say you go stay for club, maybe say they keep you for Benjamin. They know they give you playing time. You know, every player I want play. Nobody like to stay for bench. You get so like I said, go down reason and say so if I sign new contract now. That's so now when they keep me for Benjamin, I'll just play cup a bit. A cup I can't play. You know those kind of mentality. So what can to say, oh my, it go make sense. Make Kukuma go join Newcastle. Or then go join Sevilla, or then go join, just join one other club, when go get game time. Or even Atletico Madrid maybe one time self. Or this way Griezmann don't go back there, I'm not sure they go one time again. You know, I go cast the net wide, but staying in Arsenal, the part of the plan. My monetary spirit they call Yeni Asir. Don't come outside, let us know say Fenerbahce they interested in signing said Kolasinac for January. And say the guy go run packing back the good place because Arsenal when they in the surplus to requirement. You the guy no dey for part of Mikel Arteta plan. They just use him for the beginning of the season because of some kind of injuries. Now if everybody don't come back, the guy don't go down the pecking order. So they know they use him for anything. So they don't advise and say, go there for your own good interest. Maybe go join Fenerbahce, go play for them for at least go join your best friend Ozzy. Even though that one self they complain say Benjamin be your own portion for day. So just wish the guy all the best now. Talk about it on the force. Main kind of shit packing nature they go. On my familiar setting, they call they ask Jack Wishes, say, Baba, how far now? You don't reach time to retire. I mean, enter coaching role. Where they learn under Mikel Arteta or go find one coach, we go they learn under. So Baba can talk say, which levels be that now? I go talk say whether I don't reach time for me to retire. So I'm still very young now, saying get a lot to offer, and he can still play at the highest level. You know, they see my training. Say they play very well for training, saying still get everything we take. And me, I just look and say by January now I go just shock everybody. Say Mikel Arteta will give this guy one kind of temporary contract on top people where they come out. You get because for that midfield now, then they go come out, party go come out, don't they open? And before console will they negotiate with people come by as space go there now. So they will just give the guy maybe 1 month contract, maybe just play for Arsenal to help him career. Even play for Arsenal, so kind of people come scamp and say, this guy is still good now, he's at the top of his game. Before you know now, they'll just give a new contract and we go join them. So now what's me just the reason? I have no reason like that. On my familiar setting, they call they ask Emile Smith Rowe, say, Baba Alfana, as they play very well for Arsenal, with the spotlights don't they on you, everybody they scamp you. So you know they feel the pressure. So Baba can talk say, you know they feel any pressure, Jerry. Say you're taking game one at a time. You know they let all the spotlight, all the good things people they talk about them, or the criticisms that people they talk about them, they enter in head. So you know they reading all those ones. So sometimes you know they even they read newspaper. We also focus on the game, wake up in the morning, go training, job. Normal level, doing normal routine. They let the things where they talk outside for social media, they affect the psychic or affect the mentality. In job now just to face in game. So that's one thing when they do every day. On my familiar setting, they call they ask former Arsenal player Olivier Giroud to say, change they see Arsenal coming back for top 4. I mean, how you see about Arsenal? So Baba can talk say Arsenal a very good side though. Say Arsenal fit compete against the likes of Man City, Manchester United, Chelsea, and the rest big boys. But the only problem we they get now lack of funds. Say they know they pumping money to sign players. If you see Chelsea now spend like maybe 80 million bringing in Lukaku, Arsenal no fit do that kind of thing. To spend that kind of big money, bring one player go fit change game. You go see Man City now spend like 100 million bringing in Jack Grealish, and they were ready to even pay the same thing to bring in Harry Kane. But Arsenal no fit do that one. Instead, they prefer to just pay 25 million, bring one unknown name, maybe people don't know. Now all these kind of things you go do if you want rival and compete against all your rivals, compete against all your competitors. So now what you go do to come back to top 4? Nobody they spend money on unproven names so nobody know. Nobody will take you serious now. So this guy held the city now, go there, now 60 million pounds or 50 million pounds, give them. If now what you need though, give them for that time. If now Dominic Calvert-Lewin you need, go there, 50 million pounds bust everywhere, collect the guy. Now wetin go bring you back for top 4? All the best players in the world, the clubs wey get them, they no wan sell them. So if you really need them, na money go take go there, go bust that place, collect the guy. Na so all those kind Chelsea, Man U, Man City, na so all of them dey do. Even though maybe later the player fit just come, call it a flop, you know me. See Sancho now, how much they take by Sancho? How many goals he don score for United? How many chances he don't even get to play? So na so e just be. So bad don tell us say if we wan prosper, we gats take money, bust everywhere. So my dear football lovers, now here we come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow, I'll come again, come give you a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today na the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. I see that bell notification icon wey dey there. Toggle am so that when next we drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you so we don't drop am. Thank you for always supporting us, and God bless you.